Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Node.js on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly open any web browser, then type Node.js, make enter, click on this official link. Now here is two version, LTS and current. I will select this for most users. Now wait till this downloading process will be complete. Once downloaded, double click on it, click on next. Now click on I accept the terms. Next, you can change path for this folder or leave like this. Next, check this box. Automatically install the necessary tools. Then click on next. Now click on install. Now wait for a while till this installing procedure will be complete. Once installing will be complete, click on start. Type node. So you will see node.js application. Open it. And if you want to verify installation is complete or not, so type cmd, open cmd. Now type node space v, then press enter. So here you will see version of this node.js. So thanks for watching friends. By the simple and easy steps we can know how to download and install node.js on Windows 10 or 11. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.